Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. N.P. Detailing. It's Neil here. Today I did a carbon clean on this Lexus. It's a 2.5 litre V6. It's going to be sold. The customer wants it carbon cleaned and the interior seats cleaned up a bit. So we're just taking it on a test drive. I'm here with the customer. I'll be asking him some questions, so check it out. Right, so it's been an hour later. We're just in this Lexus now. I'm just going to ask the customer some questions. This is not fixed. This is just purely I'm getting feedback from the customer in his car. It's his car. He's going to know the characteristics. Should get my teeth back in of this vehicle. So tell me, what's the first thing you noticed about after the clean?
Car feels a lot smoother, quieter. The engine's quieter. It feels like I'm having to work with the car a lot less to get the the performance that I wanted.
Yeah,
it feels a lot smoother, a lot smoother.
A lot of my customers always say the accelerator feels different. What does it feel like on your end?
So I'm not pressing it as hard, so it's lighter.
Yeah,
it just feels refined and smooth. Feels really nice, to be honest with you.
Yeah. I mean, it's 2.5 litre engine V6. What have you done to it anyway? I know you've done some mods to it.
I've got a air intake K&N that I've put in, and it's got a custom catback system on it as well.
It sounds like a Maserati, mate. I did a carbon clean on Maserati. This sounds exactly like the Maserati. It's weird.
It sounds good.
If you look at go back to my YouTube channel and look at the video of the carbon clean on a Maserati and listen to the engine, it sounds exactly like this. This is only a Lexus as well, you know, compared to a Ferrari Maserati engine. It sounds very similar. So what else do you feel? So on acceleration, how does that feel?
It feels on point, really smooth, really nice.
Responsive?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Good. So all pluses. So we're just going to take the car for a little bit of a blast, see what it performs like. I'm sure it's going to, it's going to go some anyway. So watch this space. I can just about hold on to this phone. So, sorry about the shakes. We are in the car. Just a quick video on the carbon clean. Another happy customer. Really happy with this Lexus. I don't think he's going to sell it now, to be honest. But I said it drives amazing, acceleration is excellent, it just feels like a different car. Isn't that right?
Yes, definitely, 100%.
Brilliant. So
the engine's singing, you can hear it.
Nice. So he's well happy, he's chuffed to bits. So yeah, don't forget to hit subscribe, give us a like, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when my videos are up. Thanks for watching, guys. Another great video. See you in the next one. Cheers.